Hey there, crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest trends in the crypto world. Today, we're exploring a hot topic on how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal in 2024. If you've been in the crypto game, you know that Bitcoin remains a giant in the digital currency space. And for many, the journey into crypto starts with buying Bitcoin. So, let's talk about one of the most user-friendly methods out there, using PayPal. First things first, why PayPal? It's convenient, quick, and for many of us, it's a familiar platform. But before you jump in, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons. While PayPal transactions are fast and secure, remember that higher fees and certain buying limits might apply. Now, let's get into the process. Step 1 here is to choose a reputable crypto exchange that supports PayPal. Platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and eToro are some great options. But do your research and pick one that aligns with your needs. In the second step, set up and secure your crypto wallet. Safety is key when dealing with digital currencies. Next, make sure your PayPal account is ready to go. This means it should be verified and linked to your bank account. At step 3, link your PayPal account to your chosen exchange. The process is straightforward, but make sure to complete all verification steps for security. At step 4, place your Bitcoin order. Decide how much you want to spend and confirm your purchase. Remember that transactions might not be instant, so a little patience goes a long way. Finally, remember to transfer your Bitcoin to your secure wallet. Leaving it on an exchange for too long can be risky. And as always, stay informed about the market to make the best buying decisions. And that's how you buy Bitcoin with PayPal in 2024. Remember, the crypto world is ever evolving, so stay alert and adapt to new changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Until next time, keep exploring the digital horizon.